वाला डांस ओह
यही 2-3 बार हाँ।
Hey riders, today we're gonna review a cycling jacket named Reflect 360 by Provis Sports. This jacket was sent to me a month ago for the review purpose, and after testing this for a month, here is the comprehensive review for the same. This is the same jacket which even Casey Neistat used. On the front of the jacket, you get pockets with waterproof sealed zip to protect your belongings during rain. Seal of the jackets are nicely made and it does not affect the usability of the zip when you wear or remove the jacket. At the back of the jacket, you get Reflect 360 branding with large back pocket. This pocket is so large that you can carry a spare derailleur. A pack of cookies, a snacks, and a 2.5 pound of peanut butter, or maybe not. You get these adjustable plastic fasteners to keep the jacket tight and keep the shape of your body. On the side of the jacket, you get underarm ventilation zip, which you can open and keep the airflow circulating, which according to me perfect for warmer days. The Reflect 360 cycling jacket has a soft cotton mesh lining which acts as a climate control mechanism. This jacket comes with hook and loop wearing cuffs which are useful that you can even store a cycling pump inside your jacket arm and it won't fall off during a ride no matter how hard you ride or how bad the roads are. A cycling jacket cannot be best unless it provides you excellent waterproofing protection, and during my test, this jacket provided excellent waterproofing. Now the famous 360 degree reflection test of this jacket. The light reflection that you see in this video is from a small flash of my smartphone camera. Imagine if a small flash can give you this much reflectability, what would a car or vehicle light would do during your ride to keep you safe on the road. As you can see, the jacket makes you visible even from a far distance. For this it's 300 meters. To show you the capability of Reflect 360 jacket, this is me when the light hits non-reflective surface, and the moment it gets on the reflective surface of this jacket, it instantly does its job perfectly. Undoubtedly, Provis Reflect 360 cycling jacket is ranked number 1 for making you visible during your night ride or early morning ride to keep you safe. My verdict, this is the best in the market that you can buy to keep you safe, as there is nothing precious than your life. So that concludes our review of this jacket. I hope this video was useful for you all great riders. Then do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe this channel for more upcoming great videos and reviews. Till then, keep pedaling, stay fit and always be happy.